In order to enjoy a hot buttered whiskey, first you have to make some homemade hot buttered whiskey butter. So let's start with a stick of salted butter. Add half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, pour in an ounce of whiskey and add a dash of orange bitters and whip this together. Add a little bit of Christmas magic. And zing, zang, zoom, you have whiskey butter. Now take a tablespoon of that and put it in a cup. Pour in 2 ounces of whiskey and 1 ounce of hot water. Give it a gentle stir. And garnish with a candied orange slice. And now you're ready to enjoy your hot buttered whiskey. Created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com.